Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box.
Remove the 3 screws securing the sealing foam panel. You can use just your hands.
Pull the foam straight down to remove it. Slide the filter housing door to the right to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1157C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the foam panel by aligning the holes. Reinstall the screws.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.